Spraying perfume on your neck may be one of the most common yet risky beauty habits you are doing every day. Some people will even be like, here, 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 here. Waiting. Anyways, today I will show you why it is a health mistake you must stop now. But before we go anywhere, if you love your health so much and you don't mind getting every information you need to stay healthy, it is high time you hit on that subscribe button now to follow me. Like this video, comment so that this video can get across. Are you done? So let's get straight into today's business. Wait, you spray perfume directly on your neck? For real? This simple habit you think you are doing can damage your skin, can cause dark patches, can expose you to harmful chemicals, and lots more. I will just tell you how dangerous this is and how to apply your perfume the right way without affecting your skin. First of all, why do people spray perfume on their neck? Most people spray on their neck, on their wrist, on their chest, all these so-called pulse points. And it makes sense to them because heat on those areas helps to release fragrance faster. They smell faster and sharper. But here is the issue. Your neck is delicate. The skin is thinner and blood vessels used to run closer to the surface. So, meaning that anything you apply in this area used to absorb faster into your system. And that is where the problem starts. Perfumes are made with chemicals like alcohol, fragrance compounds, aldehydes, phthalates, benzene derivatives. Some of these now, like phthalates, they are linked to skin irritation and even hormonal imbalance. What is most surprising is that phthalates you are seeing, they added it to the ingredients because it helps to last longer. But unfortunately, it causes more harm than good because it can cause it can in fact disrupt your hormone, cause fertility issue, and many other things that you can never imagine. Some of these perfumes were never meant to be used on your skin, only on fabric. So when you spray this perfume on your neck, it can trigger photosensitivity, lead to dark patches, cause allergic reactions or burns, accelerate aging due to alcohol drying the skin. Let me explain better. If you spray perfume on your neck, it can cause hyperpigmentation, especially in people with melanin-rich skin. It can cause blocked pores. It can cause contact dermatitis, that is redness, itching, rashes. It can cause blocked pores leading to bumps and dark areas. It can cause sunburn, especially if you go into the sun after spraying. And you know what pains me the most? It can cause thyroid exposure. That is, you are spraying close to a gland that helps to regulate major body functions. There are loads of chemicals that they added to these perfumes you are buying, and you don't even know their adverse effects on you. Of course, they will not tell you. All the manufacturers will not come outside to tell you that this thing will cause this thing will cause this thing, because who did not want to sell their market? They will definitely want to, promote their market. So it is left for you to just do the right thing. So my dear, let's talk about where you should not spray perfume directly, no matter what. First of all, your neck. Then freshly shaved skin. Maybe you just finished shaving somewhere in your body and then you spray perfume directly. Don't try it. Then front of your chest or breast, then your inner thighs. And if you have open wounds or irritated skin, don't spray perfume on it. These areas are too sensitive and they can react badly as time goes on. So where should you spray perfume instead? My dear, you can still smell amazing without affecting your skin. So if I were you, this is where you should spray your perfume instead. First of all, spray on your clothes. Just feel free to spray on your clothes, except all this thick and delicate fabric. If you wear a cloth and you know that this thing is transparent, it's very light, and you know when you spray on it, it can still touch your skin, don't just spray on that clothes. It's better safe than sorry. Then you can spray on the back of your hair, just the back of your hair. Then you can spray on your hair tips, not the scalp, please. You can just take a comb, spray on the comb, and then use it to comb through. It will still smell nice. You can also spray on the back of your knees or your inner elbows if your skin doesn't react. And for better way too, make sure it is directly to clothes. Directly to clothes, not on your skin. Also, don't rub your wrists together like this. It breaks the perfume molecules and kills the scent. And then, as a bonus, try to use moisturizer before you apply perfume. This helps to lock in scents and then protect your skin. Store your perfumes away from sunlight. Don't put them where sunlight will be hitting them. If you want to buy any kind of perfume, try the check label. Read the label. Just go for alcohol-free, phthalate-free, natural perfumes. Then use hypoallergenic or natural perfumes if you know that you have sensitive skin. And don't forget that to smell nice is a good thing, of course. but it shouldn't be at the cost of your skin, at the cost of your health. So next time you reach out for your perfume, just pause and think of the right places where you should apply your perfume. Don't go and do something that will be screaming at your skin. So if this video opened your eyes, you gain a value. Of course, you gain a value. Like this video, comment, and please share it. Share this video to at least 5 people you care about. Share it to that your friend that used to spray perfume like body spray. So please let this information get across, because I'm sure many people don't know about this. So please help them. Don't keep it to yourself. And please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. And until next time, don't forget, your health is my own mission. So please keep thriving.